I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go down here, you click here on accessibility here, just click on it. So then you come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to require text before posting, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as may require alt text before posting enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.